Hey everybody, Mike Wardinski from naturemike.com, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your Canon R5 version 2 to your cell phone. Now this can be useful for a couple of reasons. You might want to transfer photos from the camera to your phone, that way you can easily share them with family and friends, or you might want to trigger your camera from the phone. This can be useful if you're maybe photographing wildlife and can't be right next to the camera because it might scare them, or if your camera's up maybe really high or down low in a situation where you can't be right next to it. You can see what's happening on your phone through the Canon app and control the settings like aperture, ISO, and shutter speed, all from the app. First things first, we want to make sure that we turn on our Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. So I'm looking in my phone. I can see that my Wi-Fi setting is on, and so is my Bluetooth. And it's important to note that you will not be able to pair with the camera right from this screen. And the next thing we want to do is make sure that we have the Canon Camera Connect app installed. If you don't have it on your phone, just go over to the App Store, search for Canon Camera Connect. And I have it already installed on my phone, so I'll go ahead and hit open. And that opens up the Canon Connect app. So I'm going to turn on the camera and go to the network settings. First things I want to do is change the camera name. And I'm going to go ahead and delete all these characters here first. I'm gonna call this something easily recognizable, something like R5 Mike. To get to numbers, I'm gonna come down to the lower left-hand side. There we go. And now we're gonna go to purple menu number 2 and choose Connect to Smartphone or Tablet. Note, you do need to have a memory card in the camera when you set this up. And so I'm gonna go ahead and hit Set now. And I'm gonna choose Camera Connect. And I need to add a device to connect to. And now the camera is telling us that it will remain paired with the phone even when it is set to off, and that we need to turn it to airplane mode in order to sever that connection. And I'm gonna show you how to do that in just a moment. So for right now, I'm just gonna hit OK. And this is just giving us a QR code to the app. We've already got that downloaded, so I'm just gonna go ahead and hit Next. And it may take a few moments for the camera to load. And finally, the camera will tell us to start the Canon Connect app on the smartphone. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open up the app, and you can see it says Detect Camera. Choose a camera for pairing. I've got my R5 II mic, and I'm gonna click that. You can see this little dialog pops up. I'll go ahead and click Pair. And now the app is telling me to confirm that the number on my phone matches the camera, which it does. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit Set on the camera. And my phone has now been paired with the camera. And so we can hit OK. Now we have the option to transfer images or shoot. So I'm gonna go ahead and click the Shoot button. During the pairing process, you may see this message, and it may take a few moments for the camera to find the phone. And on my phone, it's telling me the camera wants to join the Wi-Fi network, EOS R5, and that's okay, so we're gonna hit Join. I can see through my camera on my phone in real time, and I can go ahead and adjust the shutter speed if I wanted to. I can increase it to 1/30th of a second. I could change my aperture if I'd like, and it's all done in real time. Now that I have my phone registered, I can go ahead and rename it. And to do that, I'm gonna pop into purple menu number 2, go to Connect to Smartphone or Tablet, and I'm gonna scroll down to Edit Delete Device, because right now iPhone 6784 doesn't mean anything to me. Now I'm gonna choose the phone that I want to rename, and then I'm gonna choose Change Device Nickname. I'll change the name to Mike's Phone. And when I'm done, I'll hit the menu button for OK. Now it's important to note that even when the camera is set to off, the Bluetooth connection still communicates with the phone. So if you want to completely disconnect the camera from the phone, you're gonna go to purple menu number 1, go to airplane mode, and to make sure that's turned on. And that will sever the connection between the camera and the phone. To reconnect the camera, we'll turn airplane mode off. We'll navigate to purple menu 2, choose Connect to Smartphone, and then of course I'll choose Mike's Phone and hit OK. And that's all there is to it. I have a lot of great Canon Mark II tutorials in the works, so don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.